Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be talking about what's missing on the Redmi K20 when compared to the Redmi K20 Pro. So it's more like a comparison but more focused towards K20 and what's missing on the K20. Now let's get started. So guys, the first major difference between both phones would be the processor. So with Redmi K20 you get the Snapdragon 730, while with the K20 Pro you get the Snapdragon 855, which is the best processor on Qualcomm right now. Even the Snapdragon 730 is a pretty good processor. It's the third best Qualcomm chip, but still not as good as the flagship, that's the 855. So that's the major difference between the 820 and the 820 Pro. Now the next major change between both phones would definitely be the cameras. Now on paper both boast about 48 megapixel primary camera, but the sensors used by both phones is completely different. Redmi K20 Pro uses a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, while the Redmi K20 uses a Sony IMX582 sensor. Both phones come with a 48 megapixel camera, but the sensors are different, so you're gonna get different results from both phones, and the difference is gonna be significantly huge. Now, besides the primary camera itself, on K20 Pro, we can record video in 4K resolution at 60 FPS, while on Redmi K20, we can't do that. K20 Pro has a laser-assisted focus somewhere between the cameras, so that's missing on the K20, and on side-by-side comparison once again, K20 Pro will be able to focus objects faster than K20. So that's also a significant difference. Now the next major difference between these phones will be quick charging. Redmi K20 Pro supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 and it also supports 27 watt sonic charger, while the K20 only supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and comes with an 18 watts power adapter inside the box. So that's again a difference in charging speeds, and that's going to be a huge difference. Now these are all the differences that you can look based on specifications and physical appearance. Now besides that, K20 is still missing a lot more. Redmi K20 Pro comes with 8-layer graphite sheet for better thermals, better heat management, especially for gaming, while K20 doesn't. Besides that, K20 Pro also has dual band GPS, which is missing on Redmi K20. So if you're in a crowded area like cities or between buildings, then GPS will work better on the K20 Pro than on K20. So that's also a pretty significant difference if you ask me. And the final thing, K20 Pro also comes with a dedicated Qualcomm DAC for better audio experience, which is once again missing on the K20. Now talking about pricing, K20 is priced at 22,000 rupees for 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage without SD card slot. Now 64GB of storage is not sufficient for most people, so they might want 128GB of space. So now we have to consider the pricing of 24,000 rupees for the second variant, which comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now Redmi K20 Pro is priced at 28,000 rupees, comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So for just a price difference of 4,000 rupees with Redmi K20 Pro, you're getting a better processor, better rear camera, and you also get 4K at 60 FPS. You also have laser assisted focus, which once again takes better pictures or faster pictures. And besides that, it also has support for Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0, dual band GPS, dedicated DAC. If you're an audiophile, you will definitely appreciate that. And finally, better thermals for better heat management. So guys, if you're confused between the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro, you don't know what to buy, both phones look pretty similar on the outside, but they're completely different in the inside and offer a lot of different things. Especially K20 Pro offers a lot of cool things. So if you want my suggestion, go with the Redmi K20 Pro. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video. And if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.